Hello students. So in this video I will explain the very important topic of physics, that is inertia. Okay. So now let's start talking about this topic, inertia. Okay. So first of all, let us understand what do you mean by inertia. Basically, inertia is the tendency of an object to resist the change, any change in its state. ओके सो अगर इसे हिंदी में मैं बोलूं तो इनर्शिया का मतलब हुआ जिद. ओके जैसे हम कभी बोलते हैं ना कि बच्चा बहुत जिद्दी है, नहीं मानेगा. ओके सो लाइक इन फिजिक्स आल्सो वी कंसीडर दैट एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट हैज एन इनर्शिया. ओके उसकी एक जिद होती है कि वो अपनी स्टेट, वेदर द स्टेट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट रेस्ट और इट इज इन मोशन. ओके और अगर चेंज इन डायरेक्शन है ना, तो ये तीनों ही केसेस के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट ऑलवेज रेजिस्ट एनी चेंज इन इट्स स्टेट एंड दैट रेजिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड inertia. Okay, the opposition offered by the object, okay, is called inertia. So basically we have three types of inertia. Okay, first one is inertia at rest or inertia of rest, second inertia of motion, and third one inertia of direction. Okay, so first of all let's start with inertia of rest. Okay, so in this type of examples I will take when the object or the body starts from the rest or initially the body is in stationary position. Okay, now let's take an example. Okay, you are sitting in a bus, okay, and initially the bus is at rest, but after some time the bus starts suddenly. So you will feel a jerk. Jerk is what? A push, a force, a kind of force in the backward direction. Okay, as you can see here, this shaded image is the actual image, actual position of the boy. Okay, but when the bus starts suddenly, he feels a jerk in the backward direction. Okay, why so? Because of inertia. How? See, the lower part of the man, okay, is touching the ground or touching the floor of the bus. So when the bus suddenly starts, the lower part of the man comes into the motion, okay, and comes into the motion with the same velocity of bus. Okay, but the upper part is not allowing this change. Okay, the upper part the upper part wants to remain in the same stationary position. Okay, so what will happen? The man feels a jerk in the backward direction. Clear? Okay, now let's take another example of inertia of motion. In this same example I will take, but suppose the bus is moving with a speed of 60 km per hour. Okay, and suddenly the driver applies brake. So what will happen? All the passengers will fall in the forward direction. Okay, why? This is again a concept based on inertia, but this time this is inertia of motion because initially the bus is in moving condition. Okay, let's understand this thing. When the driver suddenly applies the brakes, the lower part of the man soon comes into the rest position as the bus stops. Okay, but the upper part of the body, okay, as you can see here, the shaded one, the upper part of the body doesn't want this change to be happen. Okay, so ये inertia show कर रहा है upper part. तो जब inertia show करता है तो क्या होगा? The man will feel a force, but this time in the forward direction. Therefore, when suddenly the brakes are applied, we fall in forward direction. An example of inertia of motion. Okay. Now, let's understand inertia of direction. Okay. Suppose on signal, I want to take a sharp left turn, as you can see here in the image. Okay. A car is taking a sharp left turn. What about the passengers who are sitting in the car? With this sharp left turn, all the passengers would be thrown towards right. Okay? Why so? Because जो passengers हैं उन्होंने डायरेक्शन क्या सेट किया हुआ था कि इधर वी विल मूव इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, स्ट्रेट पाथ में ट्रेवल कर रही थी कार, तो जो पैसेंजर्स हैं उनकी इनर्शिया क्या हो गई थी, स्ट्रेट पाथ में. बट सडनली द ड्राइवर टेक्स अ शार्प लेफ्ट टर्न. तो जो शार्प लेफ्ट टर्न लिया तो पैसेंजर्स उस चेंज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो इसलिए क्या होता है कि ऑल द पैसेंजर्स वुड बी थ्रोन टुवर्ड्स द राइट. Clear? Okay, now let's take more example, day-to-day life example, which can be explained with the help of inertia. The first one, leaves and fruits get detached when tree is shaken vigorously. Okay, this is very common phenomena. Okay, what happens to leaves and fruits? See, when the trunk is shaken by the boy, okay, initially all the fruits and leaves are at rest. Okay, but the branch is connected to trunk. So as soon as the trunk gets into the motion, it transfers its motion to branch, and branch transfers its motion to leaves and fruits. But leaves and fruits oppose this change. Okay, और जब वो oppose करते हैं इस change को, because they want to be at rest only. तो जब oppose करते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है, वहां से उस ब्रांच से वो टूट जाते हैं, एंड these fall down. Clear? Now let's take second example. It is advised to use seat belts while driving. Why? Because as we have discussed in inertia of motion, अगर ड्राइवर सडनली ब्रेक्स अप्लाई करता है तो we fall in forward direction. Okay, and if we don't use seat belts, what will happen? We will meet with an accident. Clear? Because we will fall in forward direction. So to avoid injuries, accidents, we should always use seat belts. Okay. Third example, when a carpet is beaten with a stick, dust comes out of it. Okay, again an example, it is an example of inertia of rest, because the dust particles which are on the carpet are at rest, and they tend to be at rest. These dust particles want to be at rest only. But when the carpet is beaten with a stick, what happens? These dust particles will oppose this change, and because of this opposition, okay, ये क्या होंगे, उस carpet से these will come out of the carpet. Clear? तो जैसे जो dusting की जाती है, वो भी इसी concept पे based होती है. Okay, let's take last example. A luggage kept on the roof of a bus or car should be tied up. Okay, as you can see in the picture. ओके, बस है, कार है, उसके ऊपर जो कैरियर होता है, जो लगेज को हम रखते हैं, वो लगेज हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए, टाइड होना चाहिए. क्यों होना चाहिए? बिकॉज अगर बस ने सडनली शार्प टर्न लिया, बस के ड्राइवर ने सडनली अगर ब्रेक्स अप्लाई कर दिए, तो क्या होगा? बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन, इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन, है ना, बाकी सारी चीजें तो मूवमेंट में आ जाएंगी, बट जो लगेज है it tends to be at rest, और because of inertia of rest ये oppose करेगा and the luggage may fall down. Okay, so children, now it is clear कि जितने भी daily life के examples हैं हमारे, वो based हैं inertia पे. Okay, and there is nothing in this world which can't be explained using physics. Clear? So I hope all these examples are clear to you. Now quickly summarize what we have studied today. Okay, first of all, definition of inertia. The tendency of an object to resist changes in its state is called inertia. Very important. Types of inertia. There are three types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. And last one, every object has inertia. Okay, so in the next topic I will take another concept, that is mass. Thank you.